live rosin infused coconut oil with the Mason Pot kit. Let's go. We're chilling out here at Mason Pot. We're gonna be decarboxylating live rosin hash today using the Mason Pot. So first thing we're gonna do is open the kit up. If it's your first time seeing this, tons more content on how to use this. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna open this up. As you see here, Vivid, never seen this brand, many bucks. Smells super nice. So right there, you can simply go like this and just drop it right in the jar itself. You don't need to take it out. You can if you'd like, we're gonna dump it in later, but I like just putting it right in the jar like that. Then we're gonna go ahead, put it in the oven, 240 degrees for 40 minutes. Let's take a look inside here real quick so you can see how it's sitting. So just have that 1 gram right in there. Insert the thermometer probe here. And you can push the thermometer all the way down into your material there, like into the rosin, and it will be good and get an exact temperature. Turn our timer on. And we're gonna put it in the oven, 240 degrees for 40 minutes. And as you see, we're looking through the pothole here, it's looking good. This is about 30 some minutes in. Bubbles are starting to slow, but they're still going a little bit. Check in on it, looking good. We'll let it cool for a second. And we're just gonna do a 1/3 cup of coconut oil in here. It will be nice and potent, my friends. And the best way to go about it for real is just to leave the concentrate container in there and add your oil or butter of choice. For this, we did take it out and scraped it out with a knife. I've done this in the past, and look at the live resin video to see exactly what I mean, because you can use the fine strainer, it will catch the container, and you don't have to worry about wasting potency. It's just a nice little hack. And then set your oven between 190 and 220 degrees Fahrenheit. Infuse for 2 hours, or you could go up to 4 if you like. We like that 2-hour mark's nice and sweet. Then take it out, let it cool after that 2 hours infusing, and then just simply unscrew the lid. And just because we took it out earlier, you don't need to do anything else. You have your finished rosin coconut oil ready to be thrown in a smoothie, ready to make some gummies, chocolates, whatever you're feeling. I like just doing scoops sometimes too. So thank you for chilling, guys. It's always a pleasure to have you hanging out with the Mason Pot fam, and we'll see you on the next one.